About Internet setting, right-click Network, choose Properties, click Change Adapter Settings, right-click Local Area Connection, choose Properties, then double-click TCP IP Protocol. Make sure your computer obtains the IP address automatically. OK, to save your settings, open any browser, enter the IP address which is printed on the router case. On Setup Wizard page, select Internet Wizard. Enter username and password, both admin. OK. Keep the default automatic Internet configuration. Next. This page shows the status of the physical connection. N600RD can detect the Internet service type automatically. See, ADSL based on PPPoE is detected. Enter the exact user ID and password provided by your local Internet service provider. OK, click Next. Here, we can see the Internet connection status. Click Save and Close. Wait a few seconds. We can add a new website for testing. Here, we try TOTOLINK website. OK, access successfully. Wireless setting. On Setup Wizard page, click Wireless Wizard. Select the right country. Check if the SSID is available. Then searching for the best channel. There are 3 wireless encryption being provided here. Choose the default one. Set your wireless security key no less than 8 characters and keep it in mind. N600RD is a dual-band router which can work in 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. It can minimize the interface and maximize the speed. Click Apply and set up 5 GHz wireless network. Select the right country. Check if the SSID is available. Searching for the best channel. There are 3 wireless encryption being provided here. Choose the default one. Set your wireless security no less than 8 characters and keep it in mind. Now the wireless setup is finished. Before wireless connection testing, we recommend you to disconnect the cable on your computer. Then right-click Network, choose Properties, click Change Adapter Settings, enable your wireless network connection. We can see on the bottom right there is an icon showing wireless connection status. Click the icon, choose TOTOLINK N600RD, connect. Input the right security key we have just set. You can hide the characters. Few seconds later, the icon will show you the wireless signal strength. All white means full signal. Finally, go to any browser for testing. Here, we take Google for example. OK, all the basic settings are finished.